Today we are testing Next Power for the Macintosh, a blatant is ripoff uploaded by Baku on Macintosh Garden, and we thank Baku a lot because he uploads many rare Japanese discs there, which is very fun to try. Hey, what's up? I wanna go out. Okay, bye bye. Hey, what's up here? Who are you? What do you want? Nothing. Okay, I'm gonna go. Just talking to all these random guys here before I go. Okay. What's going on here? We're having a tournament. Let's fight here. Okay. Who's the strongest? Oh no, not a girlie. Don't fight me, girlie. I must not be defeated by a girlie. Oh my god. This girl defeated me. I have lost face and I must commit suicide. Okay. Goodbye bye. I'm strong. I have a helmet. Okay. But my hair is very large. My hair is powerful. And I defeated you now. Okay. Bye bye. Hey. Okay. Now it's my turn. I'm gonna kick your ass, man. Okay. I won. I'm the king of this town now. Bye bye. Take him to the hospital. I kicked him in the nuts. He's very serious. Okay, girlie, that's fine. Oh my god. I cannot be defeated by this girl. And haha, I won. Okay, large hair man. Hey guy, you fought my girlfriend. I'm gonna kick your ass. Okay. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm the king now. I'm gonna I won. Go to your girlfriend and quiet, big hair guy. Okay, fuck off. Okay, now I'm gonna go. Bye. I'm gonna leave this town and go out on the world map and kick many monsters in the ass. Okay. Oh, some water from the fountain, just where I need it. What's this? Who are you guys? We're having a synth competition here. We made this song for you. Okay, that's great. But I gotta go now. Bye bye. Oh, some more water from the fountain. I gotta go. Bye bye. Some old guy. I'm very old. Who are you? Are you my wife? No, I'm not your wife. Okay, bye bye. Oh, we have some treasures here for you. But you must fight us first. Wall of text. Too much gold. Okay, let's fight. Big hair guy. Too much talking. Let's fight. Come at me, guy. Too much text. Hey, don't hit at me. I'm your friend. Hey, run away. Asshole. I'm gonna fight you now. Oh, I'm gonna protect my girlfriend's honor. You must not fight. I want peace in this town. No more fighting. Okay. Bye bye. Yeah, big hair guy. Well, since we didn't have a real competition here, I'm just gonna take all the gold and run away. Okay, asshole. Bye bye. Hey grandpa, he took all the gold. Yeah, that's just how life is sometimes. He took the girl and the gold, and now you're all alone. Okay, that's all for today folks. See you in the next video.